In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check task activity in ClickUp. If you ever need to see what's been happening on a task, ClickUp makes it easy to review the full activity history in one place. This is especially useful when you want to track updates, confirm changes, or quickly understand recent progress without guessing. To get started, open the ClickUp list that contains the task you want to review. Make sure you're in the correct list, since task activity is tied to the individual task you're opening. Once you've found the task, click on the task name to open its details. When the task window opens, look over to the right side of the task. This is where you'll find the activity panel. The activity section is designed to give you a running history of what has happened on that task, so it's the main place you'll use for tracking changes. Now, scroll through the activity panel to review the task history. As you move through it, you may see status changes, due date updates, comments, assignment changes, and other actions that have been made over time. This can help you understand who made updates, what changed, and when those changes happened. If you're checking on progress or investigating why something looks different, this timeline can be very helpful. If the task has a long history and you don't see everything right away, click Show More to load additional activity. This is useful for older tasks or tasks that have had a lot of collaboration, since the full history may not be visible at first. If you're looking for one specific update, you can narrow things down by using the search feature. Click the search icon in the activity area, then enter a keyword to find matching activity. This can save time when you're trying to locate a particular comment, update or detail within a busy task history. You can also refine what you see by using filters. Click the filter icon, then choose the activity types you want to display. For example, if you only want to focus on comments or only want to review task changes, filtering helps remove distractions and makes the activity feed easier to read. That's all it takes to check task activity in ClickUp. Once you know where the activity panel is and how to search and filter it, reviewing task history becomes much faster and more organized. Thanks for watching.